Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to insert SIM on Samsung phone. So if you have a Samsung Galaxy phone and now you want to insert your SIM maybe for the first time, or you've ejected the SIM and I want to insert a new SIM, then there's a video for you. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. For you to be able to insert SIMs or SIM into your Samsung Galaxy phone, you need this SIM ejector. So with this SIM ejector, you will be able to eject your Samsung phone SIM tray. Now, locate where the SIM is located, your Samsung phone, around here, the side, the head, or the bottom. So in this Samsung Galaxy 54, the SIM tray or SIM locator is at the top. Just need to get your SIM ejector, insert to the small hole, and then push it to eject the SIM. There you go. Now, once you've ejected the SIM, then you should say SIM 1, SIM 2, and if you have a MicroSD slot, then you should have MicroSD. Now, go ahead, insert your SIM into the tray, like this. And once you have your SIM inserted to the tray, then go ahead and insert the SIM tray back into your phone. And do not forget where the lock is. Where you have this O has to follow suit where the O is on your phone. That's the small O. Then push it. Then once it's locked, go ahead and press the power button on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Once you have your Samsung phone turned on, hang on a couple of seconds. Hang on a couple of seconds for your Samsung phone to turn on. And once your Samsung phone is turned on successfully, your Samsung phone will be able to detect the SIMs or the network you inserted. That is it. Then swipe up and log into your Samsung phone with your passcode or password. Click on OK. Then you should see your SIM at the top here. You see that? So that's exactly how to insert SIM on Samsung phone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.